Welcome back. Here I have a good news or a breaking news for you. Good news for Pakistan, especially for Lahore, and it's breaking news for worldwide. The good news or breaking news is that Pakistan has recently installed its first anti smoke tower in Lahore. The Environmental Protection Department, in collaboration with a private company, set up the tower in Mahmoodputty. This tower can filter 50,000 cubic meters of air per hour and purify up to 1.2 million cubic meters daily. This initiative aims to combat the city's increasing air pollution and it currently undergoing its 15th day trial. According to me, this is a significant step towards improving air quality in Lahore. What about you? What's your opinion about this initiative? Is it good? It's beneficial or not? See you in the next video. Take care.